first thing you do is get really precise within that job spec. And I mean, spend some time on it, right? Write it up, then narrow it down, then write it up again, narrow it down, and get it very precise. Once you have that, then your HR folks should be able to narrow down, and if they're doing their job, they should only bring people to you that fit that spec. Now, if you don't have HR folks, you gotta make sure that the people that you choose for your short list fit that spec. And you have to have a short list. You at least have to have 2 candidates to fill that spec. Once you have it narrowed down to 2, maybe 3 folks that actually hit each of those bullet points, those 5 out of 7 or 7 out of 7 bullet points. So if they meet those needs, the next thing that I want someone that's excited to work for you. That might sound very elementary, but if you've interviewed people before, you're gonna find that there are people that genuinely want to be part of your organization and are excited to work with you.